guys, praise Jesus. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Becky. I bring you awesome, fun and timely content on all my platforms. Make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you definitely subscribe. Happy Vlogtober episode 2. So no, 3, because yesterday's one was 2 days. So today is day 3, and guys, I am in my kitchen. You guys have seen this in the previous video. I have tried to work on the lighting so that it's better. I hope it is better. So this morning, did I say today is Saturday? Yes, Saturday morning. What I want to do is organize this kitchen. You guys saw my haul in the last video, guys. All those things are still packed away because I had my injury and then we traveled. By the way, travel vlog coming up after Vlogtober. I'm excited. So today I just want to pack away everything. I want to wash the washables and pack away things that I don't honestly need to wash, like this plate. I'll just pack them away, and basically that is what we are doing in this video. I have so many plans for this kitchen, and one of them is definitely storage. We don't have that much storage. For the cabinets is this two and those two and this space. So I want to get like a lazy Susan thing for my spices here and here, and then add like a shelf on top of here and there. There's a bit of space I can add, and also this side, the wall, but that is for another time, not today. My drinking water just finished boiling, thank heavens. I hope you guys can hear me well. So that is what I want to do. I'll do that in like 30 minutes, and then I will make breakfast with you guys, and we'll see where today leads. So yeah, subscribe if you're not subscribed. It's been a while since I vlogged. It feels so good, but then also so weird because I'm figuring out what spots to film, where does the lighting look nice, and we are on the ground floor, so the lighting is not that much, but in the office it is. I'll show you the office on like Monday next week, sometime next week, when my partner is at work, because now he's in there working. So yeah, let's do this, and then we will sort out a few things. The fridge, we got a lot going, but I am still in the organization and the putting together, setting up systems for my home, which is exciting. And I'll bring you guys along, so let us do that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy today. So these plates are the black ones I showed you. These ones, I am not washing them because yeah, I feel like I just want to store them like this in this upper cabinet. Let me put them in the sink, guys. So my cabinets are just empty, honestly. The glasses are on top, and I don't know where to store this. So I want to see if I can do the plates on the top bank and then the cups on the bottom one. I got this beautiful mugs as a wedding gift. I hope you guys can see that. They are the cutest little things. So I got this as a wedding gift, and guys, I am short. I am so short. I need to get a kitchen something. What is it called? There's a kitchen thing. A kitchen a stepping stool. Thank you, that is what it's called. I need to get a stepping stool for my kitchen, because what is this height? What is it this height, and why does it hate me? Can you guys see what I am seeing? We are figuring out this kitchen together. So a bit lower like that. Yes, you guys can see. I'll just remove this paper, and you know what, it's fine. Let me wash them. It's okay. It's okay, because they have been in places we would rather not talk about, but yeah, let me just wash them. So I'll wash all this. I'm actually buying time because we forgot to take out the condiments for breakfast, so they are thawing, so I have a bit of time. Yeah, so I'll wash these things. This is a plunger. You'll need this, by the way. If you don't have one in your kitchen, invest. I think I also want to wash this mitten, but it looks clean. One set of spoons. They are heavy. I don't think they showed on that video, guys. These things are huge and heavy. Can you see how huge that is? Yeah. So I'm washing those two. I also got these small ones for tea. I think I'll just do 2 of them. And then forks. I eat a lot with forks. So 2. This is an extra set. I have garlic press. These are things I've always wanted to have in my kitchen, so I'm glad I do. It's going to get washed. My lemon squeeze. It's going to get washed too. And then my guy, this one. This beauty. She's also going to get a good wash. I hope she doesn't leak. I have seen drama when it comes. Oh wow, that's tight. Very tight. So she's getting washed too. And all this is trash. These ones I will store away. Guys, I have a storage need in my house. Or I'll put them in that cabinet. I got this. I'll be just fine. So these are extras. And then my bowls. You guys saw this from the review. Beautiful bowls. So these ones are getting washed too. I almost was going to ask, why are they not 6? And these ones are red berry glassware. They are microwave safe. So yeah. How are these things removed? When I'll figure it out when I'm washing them. This is so exciting. Guys, this is so exciting. These are things I've always wanted. You get, like having my home, having my utensils, organizing it the way I want. Just then I'll buy scissors. I promise I'll get it. But for today, these things look so beautiful, and all of them are getting a good wash. Oh, these are coming off easy. Hi guys, so I am not yet done with cleaning, but I've had to take a break to make breakfast. So we're having sandwiches. Anyway, so this is the bread. I'm using this bread and this sandwich ham. Then I'm also going to be using this, guys, this thing in burgers, in pasta, in sandwiches. It is so nice, so nice. And then I forgot to take the cheese. I feel like using the slices, but I don't have the strength to grate. But it's okay, it's okay. So this is the cheese I'm going to be using. So yeah, let's get cooking. This thing for loving was forever above you. unpacked this set. I want to store it away, but I don't want to put boxes into my pantry. So I am trying to. Hi guys, so I thought I would come here and show you the aftermath of my cleaning endeavors. That is a beauty. I love. I have cleaned everything that I got, and guys, we are going to be organizing this by space soon. It's just, yeah, it's a lot. Let's ignore it. Then I have also unpacked my knife set, just a few things from the set. This is the knife set. I got this from Kamukunji a while back, so I've just left 2 knives. It's called Unique, in case you're wondering. This, it's Unique, matte black. Love it so much. So I have just left a few pieces on it that I know I'll be using, and I thought I would show you guys the kitchen cleaner I have been using. This one from Magni. This is what it looks like. It was on offer and it's been doing a good job, so we are going to use it now for this cooker. And yeah, I have done a bit of organizing, but not much. Let me put myself on. So I'm here. I have finished. I'm so proud of myself. As I was saying, this is an antibacterial action germ killer. It's a kitchen cleaner. It cleans the cabinet, it cleans the counters, it cleans everything you want cleaned in your kitchen. You can even see that is what it looks like. And I got this on offer at Carrefour, so run there, it might still be on sale. I am tired, guys. I have cleaned, I have organized, I am exhausted, but I feel nice. It feels clean. Today was Saturday and I'm just home. So I am glad I got to do that. So yeah, I think I will see you guys if I do anything else today. I'm not sure I have the energy to make lunch. I'm tired. I want to sit and just breathe and then I'll see you guys. Alright? So, see you guys. So, I had forgotten. Guys, I want to repackage this sausage and samosas. I want to repackage them and store them away in my freezer. So I have them here and I have my cling film and I will be putting them in this Tupperware I have just washed. So let me show you. This is the Tupperware that I'll put them in. This is what it looks like. Oopsie, sorry guys, I have pulled you guys. Alright, I think that's a better view. So I have my Tupperware here and then I have my cling film. Let me pick a knife. So I want to store them in a way that when we want to eat them for breakfast, baby, I'm here. When we want to eat them for breakfast, we don't have to throw the whole thing. Just, yeah. So there's water on this thing. I will start with the smokies because they are already pulled apart. So we eat 2. Let me do 2. So I'll pack 2. Pack that. It's a bit funny, this first one. It is as literal as it sounds. Put them like that. So I'll freeze them like that. So basically that is it, literally. That is the beginning and the end of this tutorial. So this ensures that they are frozen fast because they are supposed to be frozen so that they can last you long, and it also ensures that there is no contamination when you thaw the whole thing and return it to the fridge. Yeah, so that is what I am trying to avoid. So yes, please, that is what we are doing. So let me do this and then I'll see you guys when I am done. Hi guys, so I am done. These are my sausages and these are my smokies, and I'm just going to put them in the freezer. So yeah, bye guys.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
So what are these for? These are just for when you buy, you get the merchandise.
Yeah. What flavor is this?
The new flavor you're supposed to drink and get it yourself.
Oh wow.
So now you're
Oh, that's why it's
sensitive.
called water Fanta.
Yeah, now you're
It
sensitive.
smells like blueberries.
Yeah, now you that's why you use your senses. Your senses.
And it's not blueberry.
It's meant to be blueberry. I also don't know the
Wow.
flavor. Am I allowed to take a picture? I take it.
I don't know what it tastes like. Maybe that's why it's called water Fanta.
Yeah,
Hey?
that's actually what it's called that.
Okay. Interesting. Where do I dispose this?
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi guys, so it is later in the day. Hi guys. Baby, I want to put away my utensils that I cleaned today. organize them, then we will make dinner. I will also do a haul. We are from the supermarket, and that will be the end of this episode. So yeah, let me put away my utensils. Bye guys. Hi guys, so I finished arranging my cabinets. The end product looked so nice, but I thought this video was too long, so I didn't even film it that night. I was so exhausted. So yeah, thank you guys for chilling with me today. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogtober. Please subscribe if you've watched this video to this part. Subscribe, I will appreciate it. Watch the videos to the end. You know, just patronize your girl. I would really appreciate. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, bye.